to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye.
Good morning, this is Marty Hernandez. Today we're going to have another video house tour here in Greenland Executive Village in Taytay, Rizal. The property has a lot area of 182 square meters, a floor area of approximately around 220 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a backyard, a bar on the ground floor, and 2 car garages. Other details such as prices and other things that are not discussed in the video will be listed down in the description below. So now, let's go see the house. Here I am standing at the pocket garden of the house. On the right side, you have a gate leading to the maid's room, the dirty kitchen, and the backyard. On the left side of the house, we have the 1 car garage leading to the main door. The living room is the first part of the house that you will see when you enter through the main door. On the left side, you have the staircase leading to the second floor. Now, this is an extension of the living room, where you can put extra couches for your guests, or you can make it a mini library or music room for your leisure and pastime. Just beside the staircase, you have a bathroom with walls installed with green ceramic tiles up to 1.5 meters in height. You also have a small storage space below the staircase. The living room is right beside the minibar, where you can relax with your family and friends, especially during special occasions. The dining area is right beside the sliding door, which leads to the backyard. This way, during parties and occasions, you can open the sliding door so people can easily get food from the dining area. The addition of natural light from the sliding door is also a plus. For the kitchen, you have ample amount of counter spaces which are all made from granite. You also have a right amount of cabinets and drawers for your things in the kitchen. Just beside the kitchen is the dirty kitchen. The counter spaces are a bit limited, but it's suffice enough to put your plates and dishes as you cook on the stove beside it. This is the laundry area. There's a lot of things as of filming this video, so it's quite hard to show it to you, but you have a space for your washing machine and a sink. You also have a maid's room that's really spacious. I was kind of surprised how huge it is, but since a lot of things were stored as of this video, it's also quite hard to show it to you. But trust me, it's huge compared to other properties.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
This is the backyard. a great place to relax and hold parties and events. We have a lot of plants and greenery, so staying here can really be relaxing.
I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need
So
to
this is the
clear
ground
my
floor.
head.
But before we go upstairs to see the bedrooms, let's take a glance at the pocket garden.
I just need to clear my head.
Now we are here on the second floor, and upon arriving here, you will notice a small space where you can make it a receiving area or the like.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
Here's the first bedroom where you have a reasonable space, a built-in cabinet, and white painted walls. It's not the fanciest of all bedrooms since the house is a resale property, but it's not too old to look at either.
I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
Now let's go to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is intended for children as it has a built-in double-deck bed that is made from wood. You also have built-in cabinets and a window for more natural light. This bedroom has a balcony, but since it is intended for children, I find it kinda odd since it can be dangerous for children if they are not properly supervised. But if your children are mature enough, the balcony is a great addition to relax and chill. Upon standing on the balcony, you can notice that the neighborhood is safe and peaceful. The downsides are you can also notice the electrical lines, which can or cannot be a bad thing for you. And the other downside is, since the property is on the main road, there are times when it is noisy when a lot of vehicles are passing through during the day.
I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland.
This is the bathroom to be shared by the two bedrooms, as the master bedroom has its own bathroom. You have the complete sink, mirror, water closet, tissue holder, partition, shower, and a window since it doesn't have an exhaust fan. This is the master bedroom. It has its own balcony, a walk-in closet, and a bathroom. It is spacious and can hold a king-size bed and have windows for more natural light.
Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken to Neverland.
Greenland Executive Village is a project of Santa Lucia Land. Their amenities are as follows: community clubhouse, tennis courts, swimming pools, underground drainage systems, 8 to 10 to 12-meter wide concrete roads, electrical facilities, basketball courts, picnic grounds, landscape, entrance gate with guardhouse, cemented curbs and gutters, mercury lamps along the roads. What's great about the location of the village is that you're near C6, Floodway, and Ortigas Avenue extension. It's also near malls, hospitals, schools, churches, and more commercial establishments. The area is also flood-free, so you don't have to worry about heavy rains that much. For inquiries, viewings, or if you want to market your property through us, just contact the numbers below. Also, please like and subscribe. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, looking for properties for you in Rizal and Pasig.